C major scale. It's got 8 notes in it, starting on low C and finishing on high C. So we're going to play the following notes: C, and then D, E, F, G, A, B, C. No sharps or flats in this one. It's just the notes from C to C. If you prefer looking at the numbers, they're on screen now. Let's try and play it together. 2, 3, 4. If you can manage that, we're going to try playing it backwards. So just backwards, starting from the high C. 2, 3, 4. Now let's see if you can play it forwards and backwards. We'll go quite slowly to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are not playing the high C twice when we do that, nor are we pausing at it. We just go straight back down the scale again. If you can do that, then let's move on, and we're going to play the whole scale round a few times in a row. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4.